their body. Wings, beaks, claws, and tail are important parts of a bird's body. Wings help a bird to fly. Most birds can fly. Some birds cannot fly. Such birds are called flightless birds. Ostrich, emus, and penguins are flightless birds. A bird's beak is like our mouth. Its shape and size can be different. Birds use their beaks to catch and eat food. Birds and their features. Let us know about birds' wings and their feathers. Friends, do you know how birds fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings. Wings are attached to strong muscles. Muscles help birds flap their wings without getting tired. Feathers. Bird's body is covered with feathers. Bird's feathers are two types: down feathers, flight feathers. Down feathers. Most of the body of a bird is covered with small and soft feathers. These feathers are known as down feathers. These feathers keep the birds warm. Flight feathers. The wings and the tail of a bird are covered with long and stiff feathers. These feathers are known as flight feathers. These feathers help birds to fly. They help a bird to take off, fly, and then land safely. Apart from the feathers, a bird's body has some other special character that help it to fly. Birds have a bow-shaped body. It allows them to cut through air. Birds have hollow bones. This makes their body very light. Flightless birds. These birds have heavy bodies and weak muscles. Ostrich and emu are flightless birds. Penguins are birds, but their wings are called flippers. Their wings help them swim in water. Peacocks can fly over short distances. Beaks. Birds eat different types of food. They have beaks to help them find food and eat. Every bird's beak is suited to what the birds eat. A hooked beak helps an eagle to tear flesh easily. A short curved beak of a parrot helps it to crack hard fruits and nuts. A sparrow has a short, broad beak to pick up seeds, grains, and worms from the ground. A woodpecker has a strong and pointed beak which helps it to dig in the bark of a tree and search for insects. A stork uses its long pointed beak as a spear to catch fish in water. The broad and flat beak of a duck helps it to pull out plants and insects found in water. Feet and claws. Birds have feet and claws that help them perch on trees and wires. A claw is a nail-like part that grows at the end of a bird's toe. Perching birds. Perching birds like sparrows and pigeons can sit or perch on tree branches for long. These birds have claws that firmly hold into the branch of a tree. Climbing birds. Climbing birds like woodpeckers have strong pointed claws. These help them climb and cling into the bark of a tree. Swimming birds. Swimming birds like ducks and and swans have webbed feet. They use their feet as pedals to swim in water. Wading birds. Wading birds like cranes and herons stand for long hours in shallow water. Their long and thin legs help them to easily wade through muddy water without sinking. Flesh-eating birds. Flesh-eating birds like eagles have long and sharp claws called talons. Talons help them tear apart their prey and eat it. Scratching birds. Scratching birds like hens have short, hard claws to dig out their food from the ground. Nest of birds. Birds build nests to lay their eggs, to hatch their eggs, to take care for their baby birds till they are ready to fly. Birds feed their babies and protect them from enemies. When the baby bird is ready to fly, they leave the nest. Different birds make different types of nests. A woodpecker makes nest in a bark of a tree. A weaver bird makes nest in the branches of a tree. Ducks make their nest near the pond. A tailor bird stitches leaves to make its nest. Most birds make cup-shaped nest using dry twigs and grass. If you like this video, like this channel, share to others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.